Hello everyone, my name is Anur Poddar. So today I am going to discuss about unit number 3, basic processing unit, lecture number 20. Let us go through the contents that we are going to discuss in this video. We are going to discuss about basic organization of microprogram control. Now what is microprogram control? So in microprogram control, whatever the control signals are will be there are generated by a program. Now the control word is a word whose individual bits represents the various control signals. So it's a word. So here each individual bit will represent the various control signals. Now each of the control steps in the control sequence of an instruction defines a unique combination of ones and zeros in the control word. So control word consists of a number of individual bits consist of zeros and ones. So it's called as a control word. Now let us take an example. Consider the instruction add r3 comma r1. Now here you can see these are the steps that takes place by adding the contents of r3 to r1. Now these instructions, how it is encoded in micro instructions. Now assume that select y is represented by select equal to 0 and select 4 by select equal to 1. Okay, so when select is set to 0 bit, it will be represented by select y, and select 4 is represented by select equal to 1. So when select equal to 0, it will represent select y. When select equal to 1, it will represent select 4. Now a sequence of control words corresponding to a control sequence of a machine instruction constitutes the microroutine. So you can see here there are 7 microroutines you can see here. So each individual a sequence of corresponding will correspond to a micro. So there are 7 microroutines you can see here. 0 1 1 0 0 is the first row you can see. 1 1 means when select equal to 1, that is select 4. For that instruction and the individual control words in this microroutine are referred as micro instructions. So whatever the instructions as well as the individual control words are referred as micro instructions. So there are 7 micro instructions. The microroutines for all instructions in the instruction set are stored in the special memory called as control store. So whatever the instructions are there are stored in the control store. As you can see in the 7th instructions, Z out is 1, end is 1, which means these two instructions are executing. So 1 means this instruction will be executed. 0 means these instructions or control sequence is not present in that instructions. Now the control unit can generate the control signals for any instruction by sequentially reading the CWs of the corresponding microroutine from the control store. Now how to generate here is, suppose you can see in the first micro instructions we can generate the control signals for any instructions by sequentially reading the CWs. Now when you read sequentially, the first one PC out, MAR in and read operations all are set to 1. So control signals are generated for these registers only, as well as select, add and Z in. Now how it is organized of a microprogram control unit. So this is a diagram how microprogram control unit looks. So to read the control words sequentially from the control store, a microprogram counter is used. So every time a new instruction is loaded into the instruction register, that is IR, the output of the block labeled starting address generator is loaded into the microprocessor. So instruction register contains the instruction which is to be executed. So the output of the block will be labeled as starter address generator. So it will be loaded into the microprogram control. Now the MUPC, that is microprogram control, is then automatically incremented by the clock. Okay, so it will be automatically incremented by the clock, due to which Successive micro instructions are read from the control store. So the control signals are then delivered to the various parts of the processor in the correct sequence. So here we have discussed about control sequence using microprogram control, an example of micro instructions, and basic organization of microprogram control unit. Thank you.